Hi children, welcome to our class 6th Science, Chapter 4 What do animals eat? Already we learnt how do animals track their food, and today we are going to learn the subtopic is collecting food. How do animals collect their food? Have you seen pond skaters, children? If you ever go near a pond, observe the pond skaters there. Observe how quickly they move from one side of the pond to another to catch an insect that falls in water. Pond skaters. Pond skaters are an insects which feeds on other insects. Pond skaters detect ripples produced in water by any other insect trapped on the water surface. They compare the ripples on the opposite side of the pond caused by the legs of the insect struggling to move out, calculate the distance and set out to grab it. Collecting food. Some of the animals are given here. How do they collect their food? Which body parts helps them to collect the food? Discuss now. Finding food is one thing, but collecting or capturing it is quite another. Many animals have specialized body parts such as mouth parts, hands or feet that help them collect their food most efficiently. Activity 2. In the list given in table 3, write the body parts of animals that are used to collect or capture food. Some of the animals has given here. So which body parts helps them to taking in food? Hen, beak, cow, mouth, teeth, dog, frog, snake. You can complete the table in the textbook. Look at the table 3 and answer it. Which animals are similar parts in taking food? Frog and snake. They use tongue to take the food. These are the similarities. Compare the parts of dog to that rat. Note down the similarities as well as differences observed by you. Dog. Dog used the sharp teeth tongue to take in food, and rat use teeth to collect the food. Compare the parts of hen, hummingbird in taking food. Hummingbird and hen use the beak to taking food. What are the similarities between a dog and lion in the parts involved in taking food? Dog used sharp teeth, tongue. Lion used sharp teeth and feet taking food. What are the similarities between vulture and lion in their mode of taking food? Vulture use beak, claws taking food. Lion use sharp teeth and feet to collecting the food. You will see that the same part may be used in different ways by different animals. Other animals such as birds do not have teeth to get or eat food. Instead, they have beaks to pick up and crack seeds. They also use their sharp claws to get food. For example, tongue may be used by dog in a different manner as compared to frog and lizard. Lizards and frogs eat insects. They have a long and sticky tongue. They shoot out their tongue and the insect gets stuck to it. They quickly swallow the insect. The dog licks with it while frog captures and swallows food with it. Also, different parts may be used to take in the same type of food. For example, hens use their beaks to pick insects, while frogs use their tongues for the same purpose. All animals are the heterotrophs, which means they cannot produce their own food. They depend on other animals. What type of food they eat, which body parts they use it to get food, we will discuss. Man or human beings, they eat plants and meat. Which body parts? Sharp and flat teeth. Hawks, eagles and owls, they eat meat and they have strong hooked bills to catch their prey. Pigeons and hens, they eat seeds. They have sharp beaks adapted to eating seeds. Grasshopper eat grass. It has mandible which look like tiny sacs in their mouth. Frogs and toads, they eat insects. They have long sticky tongue to catch flying insects. Mosquitoes and flies, they suck the blood and they have sucking mouth parts used to suck. Hawk, they have strong hooked beak and sharp claws. They can eat snakes, worms, chicks, rabbits, mice. Frog, it has long and sticky tongue. It eats insects. Dog has sharp canine teeth. Dogs can eat meat. Cow has flat teeth. They helps to eat the grass. Bees, honeybees, they have proboscis. They suck the nectar from flower. Butterfly also have proboscis. They helps to suck the nectar from flowers. Thank you, my dear children.